By the end of this video, you'll gain a deep understanding of how to work out pecs. Are you looking to sculpt a powerful chest that turns heads at the gym? Building impressive pecs requires more than just bench pressing. Today, we explore the most effective exercises and techniques to target and develop your chest muscles for a stronger, more defined upper body. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Let's dive into the details. Engaging in targeted chest workouts not only enhances your physique, but also boosts overall upper body strength and stability. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned lifter, these exercises will help you achieve optimal results. Visual demonstrations. Barbell bench press, the king of chest exercises. The barbell bench press targets the pectoralis major muscles. Maintain a firm grip and controlled movement to maximize muscle activation. Dumbbell flies, ideal for isolating the chest muscles. Dumbbell flies stretch and contract the pecs, promoting muscle growth and definition. Focus on a slow and controlled motion to avoid strain and enhance effectiveness. Push-ups, a classic bodyweight exercise. Push-ups engage the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Variations such as wide grip, the decline push-ups can further emphasize the chest muscles. To achieve a well-rounded chest workout, it's essential to incorporate both compound and isolation exercises. This combination ensures balanced muscle development and overall chest strength. Summary and next steps. In summary, mastering pec-focused workouts involves strategic exercise selection and proper form. Consistency and progressive overload are key to achieving noticeable gains in chest size and definition over time. Call to action. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your engagement helps us create more content tailored to your fitness journey. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dynamite ESO 100 and Optimum Cushion Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic.